How to download iPhone apps without a payment method. To get started, go ahead and open up the Settings app on your iPhone. At the top, tap on your Apple ID banner to open your account options. Tap on Payment and Shipping to manage your billing details. Authenticate with Face ID or your passcode when prompted. You are now in the Add Payment. From here, you can view and add in any payment method according to your preference. You can also manage the payment settings and add in your account or card details. If you want to remove the payment method instead, then you can remove it from here. Once completed, tap on Done at the top right corner. You can now download free apps on your phone. Following these steps, you can easily download iPhone apps without a payment method. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.